Welcome back to Deliberate Lives. I'm Di, and you've seen me do a lot of projects over the summer, and Michael too, but a lot of what Michael's been doing we've not shown you. So I'll give you a little sneak peek with this video, but then Mike's gonna do a full walkthrough tour of the electrical system behind me. We just had the inspection and it passed, so we're excited. Mike is installing the grounding rod, and the way you do it is you put a little water in the hole and then you plunge it up and down and up and down, and the water helps move the dirt out of the way so it can go a little further down in.
Okay, it's done.
Another day of adventures is over. Thanks for watching. Remember, live life deliberately.